Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're all well, and it's a loving family kitchen back with another Bangladeshi Indian restaurant special, the fabled Sag Paneer, the side dish to end all side dishes, the dream every curry loving vegetarian longs for each night. Okay, overkill, but you get the idea. So enough of that, and we go straight in with a super easy recipe. We start off with a typical pack of baby leaf spinach, which I've bought off the shelves of Tesco, given a wash and a rough chop, and I've chucked this straight into a cooking vessel on low to medium heat with the lid on. This is going to draw out all of the water content from the spinach. So we set this aside and we start to work on the sauce that the spinach and the paneer is going to live in. First and foremost, we have our trifecta of aromatics. We're going to chuck these straight into some hot vegetable ghee to infuse. We've also got some finely chopped ginger and garlic, which we're going to add and saute for just a minute. Now we're going to go in with some diced onions, and you know what, I just happen to have half a yellow bell pepper lying around, so why not? So we're going to add some salt to taste and give this all a good mix to combine. At this point we've got some chopped green chili. We're also going to mix this up, and I think it's about time to pop the lid on and let the salt help draw out the moisture in the onions whilst we check on our spinach. And you know what, it seems to be just about ready. Now we're just going to pop this off to the side again once we add our spices to the sauce. Pretty simple stuff. We've got some fresh tomatoes which are going to go in first and foremost. And we'll put these in a little bit later because we want them to retain their shape. So we've got some turmeric. We're going to put in about half a spoon of chili powder. We've got some coriander powder next, and last but not least, about half a spoon of cumin. Stir that all in, and at this point we're going to add just a touch of tomato puree along with about 30 or so milliliters of water. I'm going to stir this all in, and I think we're almost ready to go in with our spinach. So great, the sauce is ready. We're going to go in with our spinach, give this all a good old mix, get everything nicely incorporated. And I'll tell you what guys, this doesn't take very long at all. Maybe about 10-15 minutes, minimal prep. So in any case, we're going to go in with our chunks of paneer. You can buy this off the store shelves. Again, I bought this from Tesco's. Very cheap, and it saves a lot of hassle as opposed to preparing your own. We're going to stir this in, give it a nice good mix, and pop the lid on again so the flavors can sink in. And at this point we're almost ready guys. I've just added our liquid content, which is about a cup or so of evaporated milk. I'm going to give that a good old mix, and I tell you what, we're almost ready to plate. I've got some freshly chopped coriander which I'm going to sprinkle on top, or not, you know, it's entirely up to you. If you prefer to go without the coriander, by all means leave it out. I've got some strips of ginger which I like to garnish on top, and we're about ready to enjoy this lovely side dish, which also makes for a brilliant main dish as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do drop us a like and consider subscribing if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Salam.